Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, automatic climate control, first aid kit, cargo net, cargo tray, lumbar support, carpeted floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.